Thinking about getting a mattress on rent but not sure if it's actually clean, what type you should get, what happens if it gets stained, is there maintenance, and can you actually save money compared to buying a mattress? Here's everything you need to know about mattress on rent from Rentomojo in one video. Is renting a mattress cheaper than buying? A decent orthopedic mattress can cost between 8,000 to 20,000 rupees upfront, and that is before you factor in moving costs. Mattresses are tough to transport, hard to sell, and end up abandoned when people relocate. With Rentomojo, mattress rentals start under 400 rupees a month. No large upfront investment, and when you move, Rentomojo handles the relocation for free. Is the rented mattress hygienic? This is the first question, and it's the right one to ask. Every mattress rented from Rentomojo goes through deep cleaning, sanitization, and a full quality check before delivery. It's not just wiped down, it goes through a proper refurbishment process. If it doesn't pass the check, it doesn't ship. So, no, you're not inheriting someone else's old mattress. You're renting a mattress that meets a quality standard before it reaches your home. What types of mattress can you rent from Rentomojo? Rentomojo offers orthopedic, memory foam, and coir mattresses on rent, so you're not stuck with one option. If you need firm back support, orthopedic. If you prefer something that contours to your body, memory foam. Pick the comfort level and price point that works for you from the catalog. What's the minimum rental period? Minimum rental tenure for mattresses start from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months, and after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. Need to return it early? You pay an early closure charge, typically 1 month's rent. There's no complicated paperwork. You can raise a request on the app and Rentomojo schedules a pickup. What's the security deposit and do you get it back? Yes, there is a security deposit and it's refundable. Once the mattress is returned and passes the inspection, the amount is refunded within 7 working days. There's no chasing and ambiguity. Everything is tagged digitally in the app. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally. What if the mattress gets stained or starts sagging? Normal wear and tear is fully covered. If something minor happens, slight sagging from regular use, surface wear, and minor stains, you usually don't pay extra. Only intentional damage gets charged at actual repair cost. Does Rentomojo maintain the mattress during the rental? Yes. Free annual cleaning of your rented mattress is included in your rental subscription. And if you notice an issue, you raise a ticket on the app anytime. A professional visits within 72 hours at no extra cost to you. What happens when your tenure ends? You get two choices: continue renting the mattress monthly or return the mattress. If you decide to return it, Rentomojo schedules the pickup from your home, inspects the product, and your security deposit comes back within 7 working days if all is in order. There is no disposal worries and no headaches of reselling the mattress online. Can you upgrade to a better mattress later? Yes. After 6 months, you can upgrade to another mattress of the same or higher value. So if you started with a coir mattress and later want a memory foam, that's a switch Rentomojo can handle. This flexibility never comes with buying the mattress. With buying, you are stuck with the mattress even if you do not like it later. What if you move to another city? Rentomojo relocates your rented mattress for free within the city or to another city if Rentomojo operates there. Your subscription continues with the same mattress, same plan, and a new address. If you want help with shifting your entire home, Rentomojo also offers Mojo Mover, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, mattress on rent with Rentomojo starts under 400 rupees a month. Every rented mattress from Rentomojo is deep cleaned, sanitized, and quality checked. You can rent different types of mattresses from orthopedic to memory foam to coir. The rental tenure starts at 3 months and goes up to 36 months. Security deposit is fully refundable, free annual cleaning is included, upgrades are available, Relocation is free across cities, and there is no upfront spend, no moving headache, and no resale worries. Check out Rento Mojo to rent the mattress that actually suits your sleep without paying 15,000 rupees upfront. Mattress rentals start under 400 rupees a month.